Okay, so here with the Topstep dashboard, so blew up that account. That account got blown. So round one goes to the combine. So 0 for me, 1 for the combine. But we're gonna get into round two. So the good thing was, I went kind of a little bit bigger on that risk as far as, my account was almost blown up, and I moved my stop, and I'm like, it's either gonna make it or it's not. And I was fine with it because my monthly subscription, if you will, was about to get charged again. And once your month gets charged again, you automatically get your new account. Whereas if you blow up your account in the beginning of the month, like the first week, like if I had called it quits for the day and then came back and blew up my account the next day, then I would have had to wait 30 days for my account to reset or pay a reset fee. So I'd rather blow it up on that day and get reset and have a new deal starting on the very next day. And maybe that's a strategy. If your account is about to blow up, you're only 1,000, you're down 1,000. Well, if you can lose that 4,000 in your account and you're down 3, if you blow up your account on the last day of your month, then the next day you automatically start back at 0 again. It's basically like you just recovered $3,000, right? Because now you only have to make 9,000 instead of the 11 or 12 that you would have had to make. So that could be a little bit of a strategy when you're trying to pass the combine. I feel like after trading with Topstep for a couple weeks or a week or so, 2 weeks, and just really starting to get a feel of the way this is and the way it works and how all the pieces are, it's very different trying to pass a combine than trying to make money in the market if you're trying to pass it quickly. If you're looking to use a combine as a sim and practice so that you're ready to trade the market, then that's, you should trade it the way you would trade the market if that's what the goal is. But if you're just looking to get through the combine so you can get onto a payout because you already know what you're doing trading, then I think passing the combine strategy might be very different. So we're going to tweak that up a little bit, and I'm going to change the way I'm doing. The only reason I blew up my account is just didn't take the winning trades, took the losing trades, made some mistakes, and it was just that fast. So I'm going to be more aggressive this go around. Same strategies, except instead of trading 1 and then buying 3 on my speed bump so I can have green days, I'm not going to worry about the green days right now. I'm just going to worry about growing the funds in the account. So I'm going to trade 3 contracts right off the bat, 3 contracts on the speed bump, and then I'll look to recover half my losses on that speed bump, if not all of them, and just going to do it that way. Before, by doing 1 and then 3, allowed me to recover all my loss and still have a green day. I actually put money in the pocket at the end of the day, but I don't have that many losses. I shouldn't have that many losses if I don't make mistakes. So I think it's going to be better for me to just do the 3 and 3 for now, and when we get to real money, I'll be more conservative and do the 1 and 3 and all that stuff. You get this is your screen, basically tells you blew up. They send you a nice email saying, hey, it happens, don't sweat it, you can keep on going, kind of thing. And then you get all this little stuff here. So a rule is broken to continue to practice or reset your account. You can continue to practice or reset your account if you are ready to be reevaluated for account, which I do want to do that. So this is your profit target, and that's the bell of the market opening. So I need to be jumping in gold right now. All right, well, so I'm going to reset my account. All right, order details. Please log out of your platform. Okay, so I guess I don't have to do this right now because all right, so my account should already be reset. We provided a new account to start the month strong. So I clicked that reset your account button. It gave me the option to put credit card information in, but I don't need to do that because they already reset it for free because it's the end of the month. So I should be all good to go. So now let's go to the platform. I should be in gold, and I'm late on gold, but maybe I'll get lucky and get a retrace. Let's see, where's the target? I can't jump in and chase it. That much late, I can't do it. The risk reward will be way off. So let's see, where's the target supposed to be? And that would be a bummer because then I'll be missing out on the winning trades again. All right, so target is 19. So my ideal entry is 1993. 19936. That's the ideal entry, and the target is 1990. 09. It's too bad. That would have been a nice winner to start the day off. Maybe $700, $800. A couple of those. We'll pass this combine quick. But now if I miss this, what's the next trade going to be? Is it going to be the loser? And then I'm trading the losers again and I'm missing the winners and I blow up my account again, right? So you can see, traders, how critical it is if you have a proven probability. See, look at that. But you can see how critical it is if you have a statistical proven probability of success and you don't trade what that's based on. If that's based on every trade Monday through Friday and you don't trade every trade, you can blow up your account with a 80% success rate or 90% success rate. You could still blow up your account if you don't trade it the way it was designed. So that's why a trade plan is really critical, and your trade plan needs to fit you. Don't buy people's strategies. Don't even buy their trade plans. Make your own. Learn how to trade the market. Make your own strategy and your own trade plan that fits you. Okay, so back here on the 2nd. So unfortunately, it's going to be a no trade day. Let me go over here on my Thinkorswim, zoom in a little bit. So here was the GC. I missed that trade as I was trying to talk about the setup. Oh man, so unfortunately I missed that trade. And then over here we had NQ, which is basically NASDAQ, and it set up, but I wasn't here when it set up, so I missed that trade as well. So unfortunately no trades today, which would have been a great way to start. You know, I was going to go 3 contracts on both, as I said, and that would have started off with a huge buffer in the account and be off to the right on the right foot. So it is what it is. I'm going to try to add an evening strategy, so when I don't take trades during the day, so I have a chance to make a couple bucks at night. Very high frequency trading strategy, which will actually allow me to not have to trade every opportunity, because I can wait for losers and get an even higher probability, a high enough probability that it won't matter if I randomly trade. I'll still be able to grow the account slowly with that. So I'm going to try to look for that and then bring that out when I'm ready for it. But in the meantime, today, November 2nd, no trades, unfortunately, because I missed it. Okay, good morning, everybody. So I'm a little bit late to the party today. We got about 7 more minutes, and it looks like NQ might be giving us a trade. Unfortunately, let's go over here real quick. You can see in this little window here, I'll make it bigger. Auto. That gold GC gave a nice trade. So now I've missed 3 winning trades, right? So this account could be doing really, really well. And now I'm going to go back and try to take an NQ trade, and it might be a loser. Looking at this, it could be speed bump that happens. If this even confirms, we'll see what happens here. But yeah, it's just too bad when you do that. So I have a trade right now. I'm going to go close an ES experiment on the sim. Close.
Order filled.
Boom, take that. That was just sim trading right now, practicing some stuff. I saw that $5,000 would have been sweet if that was in a real account. But yeah, just sim trading that right now. So let's go back over to NQ. Make sure we are not in the sim account. I messed that up the other day, right? All right. So if NQ triggers, take that trade. If not, I'll just wait and bring the next one to you. It's Friday, so no trades this week. Just trying to regroup, get back on track, and then seeing if we can get some trades in. Okay, so here we are, getting ready to get short. Getting ready to get short right here, and about 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
All right, so we're short 3 contracts. Let me fix this. Stop is at 15119. Okay, so that was a little scary. We had that big rejection, and then
order canceled.
All right, let me do this real quick. Buy stop market.
Order submitted.
So we had a big rejection here, a huge rejection there. It came back up, another big rejection. This could be breaking down. I'm gonna let this thing give it a little bit of a run. We got 4 minutes before this candle closes, and let's see here. All right, I'm gonna lock in profit there.
Order filled.
All right, so we squeeze a little more out. I do want to let this thing continue. I put these other green lines because I feel like we could see this at least come down to this area. But, you know, I got a statistical proven probability for this, and that's it. And I do feel like it's coming down here, and I would love to let it run. And I marked these up because as long as I get out before this last line, then I won't break a rule with Topstep of making too much money in a single day while you're going through the combine. So that's why I add those other lines. I was looking really to get to here, and get that around $2,000, $2,500 range. Would have been sweet. But all good. So we'll start out with $1,600 with this the new round 2, starting out with $1,600 going into the weekend. So next week, maybe 3 days, 4 days, I can have this combine beat by next week and get into the express funded account and start making some money. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Remember last time we were looking good too, and then boom. So we'll see what happens here. All right, everybody. See you on the next trade.